Yes, Alexander, and you are pretty
Yes, Preeti here.
from India.
Yes, from India. You are from which country?
I'm from Angola.
Mongola.
Angola, Angola.
Angola. It's from South Africa.
Yes, in South of Africa.
Okay, sounds good. So, how are you? How is the day today? I think you are in car, right?
Right, my day is starting now. I'm in my car because I'm ready to time to work. I'm in park right now. I need to arrive earlier to avoid traffic.
Okay, so that's
So
why like your car is was staying there.
yes, like right now it's a quarter to 7, but I start to work at 8 a.m.
So like you are at it's 2 p.m. Right now.
Sorry,
What is the time was there? 2 p.m.
right now is a quarter to 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Okay, it's morning time was there.
It's morning.
So you are just ride your office to reaching the office, right?
Right, I start to work at 8 a.m.
Okay, that's great. So you are here and like when you got the time, so you just use that platform, right?
Right.
Sounds good. So what field you are? Which field you are working?
Work in a hospital.
Okay, so you are doctor.
Yes, I am.
So like
What about
which subject and we can say like which type of doctor like some specific some specialization was there. So what is specialization of the like some dentist like yeah
I?
physiotherapist like that.
Yes, I wanna be cardiologist.
Yes.
I wanna be cardiologist. Right now, I'm studying to be cardiologist.
Ecologists. Okay, I didn't heard that actually. Okay, that's great.
A doctor for a doctor for heart.
Okay. It's a cardiologist, right?
Yes, cardiologist.
Okay, so you are just doing master degree or like you are working for there?
I'm doing post graduation.
Okay, that's good. So that is why like you
And
are here improving your skills, right? I'm also here for
right.
improving my skills as well as simultaneously I was working upon my YouTube channel. So whatever the conversation we are doing here, that is also uploaded on my channel for the viewers. Like they can also learn that language from this podcast.
Okay. And why are you doing for living? What work
Yeah,
do you do?
nowadays I'm a housewife and I'm a mother of two kids as well. So when they are going to the school, so I utilize my time here to improving my skills
Okay.
and I.
It's my dream being a housewife.
Okay, why you want to become a housewife like that? Actually, everyone wants to become a independent. Like first time hearing to someone like they want to become a housewife. Why? Why do you like a housewife like that?
What I think. Um, I think it's a very difficult job because take care for kids, for house, many things. It's very difficult, but
But
you
you
still
are
it home.
okay. But you are independent also, na?
Yes, I am.
So that is also a main thing like for every female person. If you are independent, so you are people will be valued you. People are respected to you, right?
Right, this is right. Yes.
So I think like you are doing a great job. So I think don't think about that like you will be become a housewife. Every people wants to be become a independent. So from housewife, how it's not possible. Like you have to do house chores, you have to take care of kids. How many kids do you have?
I don't have kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you
I
married or
don't.
unmarried?
No, I'm a single. I'm 29 years old, and I don't have
Okay.
kids.
So you are 19-year-old?
Mm, 29. Sorry,
29.
29
Okay,
years
29 year
old.
old.
Yes.
Okay, so like do you don't want to get married? Like do you want to marry or not with someone? Any
It,
dream
it,
about that?
it, sorry?
Like you have dream to go to get married or not?
No, I don't have a dream to marry. For me, marry is like if it happens, okay. If it doesn't happen, it's okay too.
Okay. So you didn't plan like you will be get married or not. So you are living with your family like or you are living with your friend?
I live with my mom and two brothers.
Two brothers. So like your family is not pressurized like you have to get married. You're going. Years is going over. It's not like happen.
No, not happen because my eldest sisters they are married, and my mom's already have a lot of how can I say kids give for my sisters. Sons of my sister are how can I say? I forget the word. But because of this, I'm the less child from my mom, so I don't get a stress to marry.
Okay. So you will are living your family, right? With your family. That's good.
Yes. Mhm.
Yeah.
And you, are you married? You have kids?
Yes, yes, I am married. I am a mother of two kids as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so when kids are going to the school, so I used my time here and to making up videos for the conversational videos, and that video is also uploaded on my channel.
Okay.
They are also learning like
After we finish, was a pleasure talk to you. Have a nice
yeah, it's the
day.
same. Nice. I am